It's Saturday night. It's ITV1, and it's time to push the button. Please welcome your hosts, Ant and Deb.
To Push the Button, the show where two families battle it out for the chance to take home a massive cash prize.
Thousands of families apply to be here, and tonight we've got two more who are ready to play games that are difficult, demanding, and above all, desperately silly.
But first, back to Monday morning when we surprised both families with the news they'd made it onto the show. Now, this week, they live hundreds of miles apart in Essex and... Thanks, Essex. And Liverpool. Which meant Dec and I had to split up and visit one family each.
Now, whoever went to Liverpool would have a very, very long day. So I took the producers to one side and I told them, no matter how much travelling was involved, no matter how early the day started, no matter how late it finished, I was more than happy for Ant here to do it.
Yeah, that's right.
Don't mention it. Here's how we got on in Essex and Liverpool.
This week, I'm laying in wait at a brickyard, ready to surprise a real-life Bob the Builder from the Shaw family. He's coming now. He's on his way.
The last place in Europe or something? I think it's round about here. Yeah, these ones here.
Since the brick you're looking for. Hey, Bob. Where you going? Come back here.
What I was going to use is a couple of swear words.
Who's it?
He's gone!
So everybody's off. Oh, Michael, oh, Paul. Oh, Robert, that's who we want. Hello, Rob. It's Ant. I'm not joking. Hey! Hey! How are you? Joking. It's not a joke. It's really me. So we're all here then, Team Shaw. The winning team?
No! I'm in Essex to surprise Vicky from the Bennett family. She's out for a bit of window shopping. Let's see if anything catches her eye.
Oh, is this the shop that your sister said she owned? Yeah. Oh, Eddie, look at this dress. Oh, my God.
Hello! Come here, you! Don't run away! Hello! Oh, I like this! Hello? Hello? It's Dec here. Give us a wave.
Hi.
You're leaving Oman tonight, and we're bringing you back to London. This is the bit I like.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the stars of tonight's show, the Shaws and the Bennetts. Welcome to the show, guys. Ready, Shaws?
Ready, Bennett?
Ready, everyone?
Good. First thing is first, then. We're going to give you both £100,000. There you go. But, and it's a big but, neither of you will finish with that amount of money. That's because you're going to play 4 games that are all designed to take money off that total. After those games, the family with the most money left will take on the mighty Dave at the end of tonight's show.
OK, let's get started with game number 1. Our families have no idea who will be playing the first game, so I can now reveal that playing this one for the Shaws is... Michael.
And first up tonight for the Bennetts is Vicky. So, Vicky and Michael, come and join us for the first family face-off.
All right. Good. Welcome, welcome, welcome. So, Michael, have the shows got any good luck charms for this evening? I know the answer to this. I know the answer. You have, haven't you?
We definitely have, yes.
What is it?
It's a dummy model mannequin, if you like, called Clive.
Called Clive. Is Clive here tonight?
He most certainly is. He's in the crowd over there.
That's all right. And you've got this mannequin, Clive.
Yeah, he goes to all
just
the family
hanging around the
parties.
house. He goes to parties.
The family parties, he's always the first on the guest list.
Why do I always get the crazy family? It's something to be proud of, you know. Well, I'm sure Clive will be supporting you tonight, as will everybody else here from Liverpool.
So. Yeah.
I'm kind of scared. Kind of scared. Good luck tonight, Michael.
Right,
all the very best.
Thanks a lot.
Good luck with that lot. Vicky, how has the week been for you?
Well, very nerve-wracking for us all, obviously. On Monday morning, there was a knock at the front door.
Yeah.
So Mum and I were really excited, screaming and shouting, thinking, oh, this is it, this is it.
And who was at the door?
The A1 lady.
What about the rest of the family?
Well, Liz, Sister Liz, while she was driving home from work, saw a man in a chicken suit. Convinced it was you guys, so she followed it.
Yeah.
Followed it down the road, and no, it wasn't.
What day did you see it?
On a Monday.
On a Monday?
On Monday.
You see, I only wear my chicken suit on a Saturday. That's where she went wrong.
It's only his weekend thing. Well, good luck tonight.
Thank you.
Very excited to have you here. Let's show you both the first game of the evening. This is Make Mine a Double.
As always, all games are tested by guinea pigs just for you at home. Here they are, accompanied by the voice of the legendary Ronnie Corbett.
Ant and Dec have opened their own lookalike agency. They've got Amy Winehouse, Will Smith, Prince Charles and Harry, Gordon Ramsay, Anne Robinson and Johnny Depp. Players must race to line up the lookalikes in order of age. When they're happy with the choice, they can push the button. But the countdown will only stop when all the lookalikes are in the right place.
So, it's all about lining them up in order of the age of the celebrity they look like. Youngest on the left, oldest on the right. And before we reveal them, we should